First thing we're going to install is the MySQL server. The MySQL service, PHP for MySQL. And there's also a PHP admin for your MySQL database. And we're going to initiate. Now we're going to make sure that MySQL starts up when our machines reboot. And now we're going to start the service. So now that we started the service, we also want to go in and actually set up a root username and password. So enter current password. There is no current password, so we just hit enter. Set a root password, yes, and go ahead and set your password and remember it. Re-enter that password. Do we want to remove anonymous users? Yes. Disallow root login? No. Remove test database access? Yes. Reload privilege tables now? Yes. So that's all there is to it as far as getting MySQL database up. And from here we go into the osTicket. Make sure we move the osTicket to the proper directory. So we're going to go into that in our next step. So now that we have the MySQL database installed, we're going to go back to the osTicket installation instructions here, and also take a look down here. I have the HTTP website as well. You can pull down the instructions themselves, but I just found it kind of easier to go ahead and build out a video to share with everybody else that's out there in the industry. Before we actually upload the directory to our server, we're gonna have to make the directory that we want to give to our osTicket system. So right here I'm gonna make a directory called help desk, and that's where we're gonna actually upload the osTicket configuration files. I'm just gonna ls the directory, and as we can see, there's nothing in the directory. There's nothing in the directory of that we just created, help desk. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and upload the tar file to that directory. Alright, now let's check to see if our tar file uploaded. There's our tar file. Go ahead and move to that directory. Alright, see if we can get this again. Alright, excellent. Oh, here we go, and now we can get rid of that tar file here. Alright, should be going now. There we go. Now we're going to move into this directory here, the osTicket directory. We're going to list here, and basically what we want to do, we want to take everything from the upload folder and move it into our ticket directory, move it down to our ticket direct or help desk directory. So we're going to change directories to upload, and we're going to move everything in here. Okay, let's get the rest of the stuff. Alright. And we could actually delete this file now, or this directory itself. Alright, now that it's gone. From here, there's a couple of things we have to do. We have to change the permissions on a couple of files here, and we'll be ready to go. So we're gonna clear this off, and now we're gonna change our directory. Let's see where we're going. To the include folder. Where is that at? There it is. Okay, so we're gonna copy and then we're going to change the permissions on that file as well. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Now we should be able to go into our web browser and finish up the rest of the osTicket installation. It's basically the IP address and the word setup. Let's reload our HTTP server here. Okay. Oh, it's actually help desk. Set up. All right. So there we go. As we're looking at the prerequisites, this required section, it says we need at least, at a minimum, PHP and MySQL, and we have green check marks next to each of those, and we click next, and that's pretty much all there is to install an osTicket. from here you just basically fill out the rest of the required questions, and we'll go through this real quick. We'll call this help desk, or too easy for Z. The MySQL database is going to be the database for whatever help desk that you want to create. The username of your MySQL database root, unless you created an actual username in the MySQL database, then you could use the username and password. And congratulations. So that's all there is to it. Now if we just go to this part right here where it says help desk SCP, this is our actual where we actually set up our osTicket usernames. And we want to switch this here to on. Scroll down and save changes. After we save the changes, we can log out. And if we just go to help desk, now your users can actually open up a ticket here. They can open a ticket here, or check the status of their ticket here. So that's all I have for everyone today. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them to Too Easy for Z on YouTube, and I'll do my best to get back with you. Look forward to getting some more tutorials out there for you all. Bye.